Hello everyone, this is Seema Pathak from Nilan's tutorial. One of my subscriber has asked solution for the question of lesson number 2 problem set question number 8 and 9. So here is the solution for those questions. The first question which she has asked is find m if the quadratic equation m minus 12x square plus 2m minus 12x plus 2 is equal to 0 has real and equal root. So for such kind of question we can utilize or we can apply formula method. First what we will do, we will compare the given equation with the equation that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. As we will compare this with the this equation, we'll get the values of a, b and c. So after comparing, we will get a is equal to m minus 12, b is equal to 2 m minus 12 and c is equal to 2. Now putting the values in b square minus 4ac will get, first we will put the value and then we will solve it. So here 2m minus 12 the whole square, that means 4m minus 12 the whole square, and in place of m minus 12 the whole square we can put the or apply the formula that is a minus b the whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. And here when we will open the bracket, first we will multiply 4 2s are 8 and then we'll open the bracket, we'll get minus 8m plus 96, because minus minus will become plus, and 8 12s are 96. So here then we applied the formula a minus b the whole square. Then after solving it, we will get 4m square minus 96m plus 576 minus 8m plus 96. Now this 96m and minus 8m will become minus 104m plus 672. So we'll get 4m square minus 104m and 576 plus 96 will become 672. As per the given condition in the question, that the roots of the given quadratic equation are real and equal, and as we know and even I have taught in my previous video that whenever the roots of the given quadratic equation are real and equal, then the b square minus the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So therefore if we are getting 4m square minus 104m plus 672 as b square minus 4ac, so it will be equal to 0. So after after writing it like this, we'll divide it by 4. So when we will divide it by 4, we'll get m square minus 26, because 26 4s are 104 and 168 4s are 672. So that's why after dividing it, we will get m square minus 26m plus 168 equal to 0. Now as we know, we have to find the factor of 168 so that we can solve this equation. So 168 we will find the factor, will get 12 14s are 168. So it will be easier for us for solving this equation. So putting the factors of 168, we will get m square minus 12m minus 14m plus 168 equal to 0. So m here we will take m as common, we'll get m minus 12 minus 14 m minus 12 equal to 0. So m minus 12 m minus 14 will be equal to 0. So we'll get m minus 12 equal to 0 or m minus 14 equal to 0. So therefore m is equal to 12 or m is equal to 14 if m equal to 12 or m minus 12 equal to 0, because when we put 12, so 12 minus 12 equal to 0 or 12 minus 12 into x square will be equal to 0, then the equation will not be a quadratic one, and therefore m is equal to 12 will not be acceptable, and therefore the value of m will be 14. So this was the solution for question number 8. Now let's move to question number 9. The question number 9 is the sum of the two roots of a quadratic equation is 5. So if we are considering the two roots as alpha and beta, so sum of the two root is 5, that is alpha plus beta is equal to 5. Then the second statement is given, this sum of their cubes is 35, that will be x alpha cube plus beta cube will be equal to 35. Then it is told in the question that find the equation. So what will be the equation? To what we will do, see as we know the formula that alpha cube plus beta cube, that is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b the whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. So same formula will apply in alpha cube plus beta cube. We'll get alpha plus beta the whole cube minus 3 alpha beta and alpha plus beta. So we can substitute the value as in the equation it is given that alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to 35. So by putting the value here, and alpha plus beta is given 5, so it will be, we are putting the value here, and 3 alpha beta into 5. So we'll get, after solving this, we'll get 35 is equal to 5 cube, that is 5 5s are 25, 5s are 125 minus 3 5s are 15 alpha beta. We'll get, now arranging it, this we will take to the take another side, and 35 to this side. We'll get this negative sign will change into positive 1, and this will be 125 minus 35. So we'll get 90 as the answer after subtracting this, and then here 15 is in the multiplication form, so this will come down and it will become as division, that is 90 divided by 15. So alpha into beta will be equal to 90 divided by 15. So the answer is alpha into beta is equal to 6. As we know the required equation, we have to compare it with x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. So from substituting the value, as we have taken alpha plus beta is equal to 5 and we got alpha into beta equal to 6. So from 1 and 3 we will get x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So the required equation is x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0.